would say that PTC helps amplify my voice, right? By allowing me to take days off to actually give back to my community, by encouraging me to participate in these types of activities and allowing me to actually bring, let's say, campaigns that are close to my heart, and I think the best thing for me is actually seeing how the whole hub here in Barcelona is actually participating in this event. So I don't see, or I don't have knowledge of any other company that helps as much as PTC. We've done Clean the Beach initiative many times before. I am an island girl, so it's an initiative that is definitely close to my heart. What I noticed was that while we're trying to do good, we were just fighting plastic with more plastic. We were going to buy gloves and we were going to buy plastic bags. And I said, hey, wait a minute, this is PTC. We are at the forefront of technology. We are encouraged to be bold and innovative. So why not use PTC technology and PTC human resources to create something that will actually help us pick up the trash? This is where the idea of using our 3D printer to create a trash picking device came to life, And with that, we are able not only to protect ourselves from direct contact with the trash at the beach, but also recycle this device that can be used for future campaigns.
Whenever we think about Barcelona, we also think about the beach, and it's usually something that we like to spend time, but it's also usually dirty. So that's what led us to think about, hey, that would be a nice idea to do that. Since it's quite dirty to pick up trash from the floor, what we did is design something with Donato in Creo. So first of all, prototype, and then something closer to the final product. And then we 3D printed it with the 3D printer we have at the office.
Our long-term goals for the beach cleaning initiative are to maintain a clean and healthy coastal environment and to raise awareness about the importance of environment conservation. We aim to make this a recurring event, encouraging continuous participation from our employees and the local community. To measure the success of this initiative, we will track, first of all, participation rates, so the number of volunteers who join the cleanup event, the amount of waste collected, so the total weight and types of waste collected during each cleanup, and last but not least, environment impact, so improvement in cleanliness and health of the beach over time, assessed through regular environment surveys. By monitoring these metrics, we can evaluate our progress and make necessary adjustment to ensure the initiative ongoing success and impact. To me, PTC for Good represents the company's commitment to making a positive impact on our community and environment. So it means going beyond the business goal to engage in meaningful activities that benefit society. We are organizing numerous activities during the season of caring, and I'm actively involved in organizing a beach cleanup in front of our office, which demonstrate our commitment to environment sustainability. And these initiatives reflect PTC dedication to the well-being of both people and the planet, and I'm proud to be a part of these efforts.